Are you a Muslim? Have you ever wondered if you could uphold your religious values even on your device screen? Do you wish to find a solution? Imagine a world where your faith aligns perfectly with your digital experience. In today's digital landscape, one of the greatest challenges we face is unexpectedly encountering haram and non-mahram content in images and videos. Whether browsing social media, news portals, watching documentaries, tutorials, or simply surfing the web, non-mahram content can appear anywhere. According to Islamic teachings, gazing upon non-mahram is strictly haram, yet we often forget this as the digital age makes it difficult to avoid. Introducing Porda AI, the world's first advanced AI solution designed specifically for Muslims. This cutting-edge technology automatically blurs haram objects in real time, protecting you and your family from unwelcome content in videos and images. With easy navigation, Porda AI operates entirely offline, ensuring 100% user privacy. Instant on-off functionality, various covering options, immediate blurring of haram objects. Porda AI works seamlessly on both computers and mobile devices without slowing down your device, plus all essential settings are at your fingertips. Empower yourself with Porda AI. Install now and confidently uphold your faith with the most innovative technology. Revolutionize your digital experience with Porda AI.